Hi, it's Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and I want to do a very quick update on the 56 Ford Thunderbird that I'm working on. So stick around and follow me down to the shop. I'll meet you down there. Hi all, and welcome to the shop. I wanted to do an update since I haven't made a video in, I don't know, seems like a long time, longer than I usually go. But anyway, I do want to do an update on the Thunderbird that I'm working on. I decided to go with a red body, as you can see here. Now this has just been painted. When I say just painted, I'm talking about a few days ago. So there's no clear coat on it yet or anything like that. And I'm going to be doing a black roof on it. Again, no clear coat yet, so the black roof will be on there for that. I didn't realize how much detailing there was, especially in the chassis. So here's the chassis, and I gotta watch because I just painted some of this stuff on here, and you know, I was surprised when I saw that the underside, the undercarriage, was done in this color. This is a it looks pink because I think it is, but anyway, it's like 25% of the red that I used on the body and 75% white in a mixture, and that's pretty much what the floor or the undercarriage looked like. The frame then I did in semi-gloss, and again you can see it's still wet in spots. And then the gas tank was in an aluminum, like a matte aluminum. The exhaust pipes were in a pale burnt metal or steel. And then I did the small exhaust pipes here in actual exhaust color. And those are Vallejo colors. So there was a lot of detail painting there, and I got a little bit of touch-up to do on this yet. Not a lot, but a little bit of touch-up on that to do. So that's where that is setting. The dashboard is painted, but it's still going to need some detail work. Now there's a decal that goes in here, and there's a decal for the instrument cluster. So we'll be doing that soon. I decided to go with a red interior to match the body, because that's what it seems to be for a factory release. So that's that. The engine is in paint, but I won't show it now because it's just freshly painted. So again, the interior tub, here's the interior tub. This is going to be in red. Now, you know, I have all different kinds of flocking material except red. Isn't it always the case? You always have what you don't need. So anyway, I want to flock this in red, so I just ordered some of that from my buddies over at the Model Car Garage. I like their flocking. Their flocking works really nice. So that'll be that. And then there's a lot of detailing that has to be done on the side walls, on the side panels here yet, because a lot of, and I don't know if it's easy to see on camera here, but this in here and up in here and stuff gets white, and on both sides. And then on the seats, these areas in here, and again, I hope you can see it. It looks like you can. Let me flip it this way. That might be better. But this area in here on the cushions, I believe there's a decal for that also. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that, but that'll also be white in there. So we're coming along, is what I can say. We're coming along with it. And the next time I do an update, well, it won't be an update on it. It'll probably be a finished model at that point. So that's where I am on the 56 T-Bird. I got detail painting yet to do. Notice I didn't take the ribs out yet or anything. I don't know why. I'm a little afraid always to take those out, that the whole body's gonna like twist and warp. It's just me being paranoid. So anyway, that's where that stands. So that's it, I guess. That's all I really needed to say on the T-Bird update. So that's where I'm at, and like I said, the next time you see this car, it will most likely be finished. All right, so thanks a lot. Hey folks, if you're not subscribed, smack that subscribe button and then ring the bell so you get notifications. As you see from the last time, I don't create a lot of videos. They're spaced out pretty far. And I've said this before, you know, I thought once I retired, and I retired in May of 2019, and I thought, wow, I'm gonna have all kinds of time, and I'm gonna be able to work in the model shop, you know, every day, and I'm gonna do all these great things. Yeah, right. Anyway, so guys that are still working, approaching retirement, I hope you're gonna be in better off, but I'll tell you something. I don't know how I had time to work. Now, I got things outside. I got my mother yet, and I have 2 houses that I take care of, and so that's neither here nor there. But I just thought I'd have so much more time. Anyway, I still, you know, I'm doing it, and I'm rambling again. So anyway, again, smack that subscribe button, ring that bell to get notifications. I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all my visitors and all my guests. And I guess that's gonna, oh, give me a thumbs up. You can give me a thumbs down too, but give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.